So guys, we are now going to Sitio Favuyan today. So today I'm in the rice field. I'm on my way because I don't know if the bayanihan is today. I don't know. My brother says it's today, so I think I'll go. So today, while while recording this video, I'm uploading uh, my recent vlog, which is tilting the rice field again, day 3. It would be part 1 and part 2 because the part 3 is only 3 minutes, so it would be added into shorts. So if you guys notice that you didn't see a missing part on my videos, I think you will go to shorts. Yeah, we'll go to my shorts and you will find it there, because if it is 3 minutes and below, the YouTube will automatically put that video into shorts. But if it is I think 4 minutes and above, the video will stay in the videos. That's why if you search it, it will automatically pop up. Wherein, yes, it will pop up. It will pop up. Even in shorts, it will also pop up. But I'm just telling you that, yeah, that's it. Because some of the other parts of my videos are 3 minutes or below 3 minutes. That's why some of them are added into shorts. Today, time check 7:21 a.m. and it is June 17, I think. Yeah, June 17. The second day class of the DepEd. Today is their second day of class. They just started tomorrow. Yeah, I mean yesterday. That's their first day of class. Yesterday. Hopefully, I have there's someone who will accompany me this journey. Although when we go to that area where the bayanihan is being held, many of us are helping each other. But going there is not easy, because if you walk going there or jog, they will say, "Oh, you're a runner, you run," something like that. They are commenting. They are always commenting whatever choices I make. Don't know.
So wala na akong yes! Ay.
Guys, it seems I don't have any company because yeah, no one is coming right there. I don't know if the Bayanihan is today or tomorrow. So guys, I think I end the video here and I'll update you later on.